This is what it looks like down Niagara Falls. Wow. So right here at the top of Niagara Falls. I'm Shelly.
I'm Jason.
And we're here at Niagara Falls. It is June 25th, 2025. We're right here. This is the first week of summer, 2025. Here we are at Niagara Falls, where Jason, has always wanted to go. Here it is. That's our tour guide, Mitch, right there. He's cool. Look at this. One more time. This is Niagara Falls. A little better view. Here we go. Shelly's praying, don't drop my phone.
I am, yes.
I love you.
I love you too.